Go.
This is the second round for the competitors this afternoon. The top four placements are four Chevy Capella and Australia. Fourth place goes to Kathy Alabama and Juliet. Third place goes to Ryan Stewart and Wes. Second place is